How to change email on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change email on TurboTax. For that, launch open the TurboTax official website. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, from the left-hand side panel, click on Intuit account. Here, you will find different options. Find the section of quick actions. Now click on show more. Here you will find change email option. Click on that. Now go ahead and enter in a new email address. After entering your new email address, you want to type it again to confirm it. Now click on the save option. Once you do that, you will get a notification that says your email has been updated. And in this way, you can change the email on TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.